If you're seeing Capcut error 1007, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that can help you get back to exporting your project without the frustration. This error is often related to performance settings, export settings, or even cached files that Capcut needs to clear out before it can work properly again. So if your export keeps failing, stick with me and we'll go through the steps one by one. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to disable hardware encoding inside Capcut. To do that, click the menu button in the top left corner of the app. If you're on Mac, you can click the Capcut logo instead. From there, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to the Performance tab. Here, look for the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding. This setting can sometimes cause export issues on certain devices, so go ahead and uncheck it. After that, click Save. Once your settings are saved, completely restart Capcut so the change can take effect. Then try exporting your video again and see if the error is gone. If that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing to check is your export settings. Sometimes Capcut error 1007 appears because the video is being exported at a resolution or frame rate that's too demanding for your system. So when you open the export menu, lower the resolution if needed. For example, if you're trying to export in 4K, switch it down to 1080p. You can also lower the frame rate. If your project is set to 60 frames per second, try reducing it to 30 frames per second instead. These smaller export settings often make the render process much smoother and can help avoid the error completely. After adjusting those settings, export again and check whether Capcut finishes the file properly. If you're still getting the same problem, the next fix is to clear your cache. Cached files can build up over time and sometimes interfere with the way Capcut processes your project. To clear it, open Capcut settings again and go to the Drafts tab. In that section, look for the cache size information. Next to it, you should see a trash icon. Click that trash icon, then confirm that you want to clear the cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the export issue while leaving your main project intact. After the cache is cleared, restart Capcut once more and give the export another try. In many cases, one of these three steps will solve the error 1007 issue, especially if the problem was caused by a hardware setting, a heavy export preset, or corrupted temporary files. If your export is working now, that's great. You're ready to keep editing. And if this video saved you time, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more Capcut troubleshooting guides and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.